Jai Shri Krishna Mitro. Now we are going to start our JEE section for maths. We have a book R.D. Sharma for maths, JEE main and advanced. It's a good book, so much variety of question, and it's helpful for JEE main and also in advanced. So I selected it. Going to start first our chapter integration of 12th science, chapter number 7. First example. The first example says if integration of sin raised to 8x minus cos raised to 8x upon 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x is a sin 2x plus c. The c is a constant term. Okay. So a sin 2x is the answer, I think. Then find out the a. What is the a value of a? We can find it. We are going to find it. So first off, we have a sin raised to 8x minus cos raised to 8x upon 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. Okay. Look, first of all, numerator has a sin raised to 8x minus cos raised to 8x. I am going to factor these terms, so we find sin raised to 4x minus cos raised to 4x and sin raised to 4x plus cos raised to 4x. Okay. We have basic identity of trigonometric, that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Denominator has a 1, so I put the sin square x plus cos square x instead of 1 and going to square it, because 1 square is 1, minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. Okay. So if I am going to solve numerator as it is, denominator has a square. So going to square, expansion of square, sin raised to 4x plus 2 sin square x into cos square x plus cos raised to 4x. So we have now sin raised to 4x plus cos raised to 4x. Cancel. So now I have a sin square x minus cos square x dx. I can write this like this: cos square x minus sin square x. Okay. माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर, इसको माइनस को मैंने कॉमन ले लिया है. क्लियर? सो कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स माइनस साइन स्क्वायर एक्स, इट मीन्स कॉस 2x. बराबर? क्लियर? नाउ cos 2x, so we have a formula of integer cos x. Cos x means cos x का इंटीजर क्या है? sin 2x, this minus is always with us, and x, coefficient of x is in denominator, plus c. Now we are going to a sin 2x. We have answer a sin 2x by 2. Then compare this term. Okay. Now going to compare this term. So a is equal to minus 1 by 2. That's the answer. Clear? Second illustration. Here we have a 1 plus cos 8x upon tan 2x minus cot 2x. Integration of 1 plus cos 8x upon tan 2x minus cot 2x is equal to a cos 8x plus c. तो हमें ए क्या है वो मालूम करना है. we are going to find what is the value of a. So first of all, expansion and simplification, given the simplification of numerator and denominator. First of all, 1 plus cos 8x. We have 1 plus cos 8x formula. I can write it 2 cos square 4x. Okay. The basic formula is 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square and half of angle. So now denominator has tan 2x minus cot 2x. Sin 2x upon cos 2x minus cos 2x upon sin 2x. Okay. Taking LCM, so I have a sin square 2x minus cos square 2x upon sin 2x into cos 2x. Taking minus common, so now we have cos square 2x minus sin square 2x and multiply by 2. So 2 sin 2x into cos 2x. Here we have formula of cos 2x. So 2 cos 4x and here sin 4x, sin 2x formula. Now we have 2 cot 4x. तो आप याद भी रख सकते हैं, ये ऐसी फॉर्मूला है बार बार काम में आएगी. जस्ट tan x minus cot x is equal to minus 2 cot 2x. Double the angle. Okay, tan x minus cot. If you have tan x minus cot x like some formula, then you can write minus 2 cot 2x. Okay. Now let's put the value of all of it. So 1 plus cot x 8x is equal to 2 cos square 4x upon tan 2x minus cot 2x 2 cot 4x. Clear? 2 cos square 2 cancel, cos square 4x upon minus bar ले लो जो cot 4x is equal to cos 4x upon sin 4x. Then we have sin 4x into cos 4x. Okay. Multiple by 2, multiple and divide. So 1 by 2, 2 sin 4x into cos 4x. This is the formula of sin 2x. We can write sin 8x. So now integration of sin. What is the basic integration of sin? Minus 1 by 2 minus cos 8x and coefficient of x is 8, so we put the in denominator plus c. Minus minus plus, so we have 1 by 16 cos 8x plus c. Now compare the answer with this. Then we find the a is equal to 1 by 16. Clear? So that's a simple question.